Hi.
I am a sausage. I am a member of the processed meat family. Bacon, salami, ham, and canned meats are some of the other members of my family.
In processed meat products, nitrite is the main additive used. Adding nitrite salt has main three purposes. The first one is, it helps to preserve red color in the product. The second one is, it helps to kill the bacteria in the product. The third one is, it prevents lipid oxidation. High-temperature processing methods such as grilling and deep frying are used to prepare processed meat products before consuming. Due to the high temperatures, the nitrite converts into nitrosamine, which is the cancer-causing agent. When eating those products frequently, it causes colon cancers. So, think twice before buying these kinds of unhealthy products. Subscribe my channel for more videos and don't forget to click the bell icon.